Greetings. Welcome to the Drummond channel again on January 10th. This is another look at the introductory level software and the S&P Mini. And we're looking at some, we're going to use the hourly chart as the focus time period, and looking at daily as a higher time period, what some targets are there. And then the 15-minute to see if those targets are hit, and we're going to get a reversal out of that area. So again, the 60-minute is the focus time period, and this was the opening bar, so a strong move up above what this is, the daily envelope top. And on the daily chart here, I've drawn in a couple of Drummond lines, got a 5-1 and a 5-2 down combination, and along with this is the weekly envelope top. And so it creates an area here. And actually, this should be a little bit bigger. It should be down into this range here, which I think is about 406 on the E-mini. So this is the target area for the day, and way up here at the top is the weekly envelope top up above here. So the 15-minute chart is moving up, and you can see now that this is the overnight market. Price is snaking sideways, and then we get a strong bar on the open, and you can see on the 15-minute chart everything's pushing up. Everything looks great. We've been into the target area just a little bit, and now I'll take a break on this, and I'm going to open this back up at 12:30. So far this morning, price is pushing up on the hourly PL dot. The daily envelope top, that's given way, price come down, and it's sitting on top of that. And over here on the 15-minute chart, it's been snaking sideways, and you had this strong move up here, and this is more or less just a triangle consolidation, looks like, and we're probably going to pop out up into this area. And this is where I would look for an area to short this market. And a short is going to come from seeing this 15-minute chart go into a congestion, and then 15-minute C waves to the downside. So early in the day, if you were tempted to think that we had this push up into the higher time period resistance, and then we came down, and we had to close down here below the PL dot, but it came down, and the flow took this thing back up inside the envelope, the next bar up on top of the PL dot, and basically just congestion, but we never got a C wave. And a C wave is going to be when we get a close down here below the envelope and starts pushing down, and that should proceed, or that will proceed, the same thing happening on the hourly chart. And the hourly down, or so the downside target when that happens is going to be weekly PL dot and somewhere between the live PL dot and the static PL dot on the daily chart. So what we're talking about, see if I can make this a little bit more clear, is a pullback into this range, and maybe lower. We don't know, but first things first, we're going to see this market make a stab up here into the resistance area, and then should we get that reversal on the 15-minute, that should lead the way for the 60-minute. And then we can look at downside targets from there. That's a quick down and dirty on where we're at today, coming out of lunch, so we'll see a little volatility probably. But this is a day trading setup using the 60-minute as the focus time period, with a 15-minute lower time period and a daily higher time period. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.